Choose a soft and skin-friendly yarn. Here I choose Schaefer's Mengshi Oxian yarn. Prepare to crochet hooks of 3.0s. Prepare 2 markers. We first tied a knot in the thread. Then hook braided stitches. Place the thread on the hook and hook the thread out. This is a braided stitch. Then repeat this action to make 13 braided stitches. After hooking 13 braided stitches, count back to the second braid. Pick up the thread above the braid. First, hook the thread out. Then pull the 2 loops on the hook needle and pull them through at once. A short stitch is done. We'll put a marker on the first short stitch and fasten a marker. Continue to crochet short stitches. Crochet a short stitch on each braid until the last stitch. Crochet an odd stitch. Turn the braids on the second row. We pick the outer thread, which is the outer half stitch, and hook a short stitch. The first stitch must be marked with a marker. Next, we always pick the outer half needle to hook short stitches until the stitch before the marker. Until the stitch before the marker. The last stitch is the marker. This stitch, we hook the complete stitches, which is 2 hook short stitches on both threads. In this way, the second row is completed. Next, we repeat the method of the second row until you reach the appropriate number of rows. The first stitch of each row should be marked with a marker. The last stitches of each row, 2 hook short stitches with 2 threads. Crochet 28 rows according to this rule. Let's see how to count the rows. The raised ones are called aliens, and the concave ones are the same. Fold the fabric in half to form a braid. We picked up 2 pieces at the same time, the adjacent half stitches. Pull the thread through 3 loops. This is a slip stitch. Then repeat this operation until the last stitch. Until the last stitch. Pick 2 threads for the last stitch and crochet. In this way, the thumb part is completed. You can try it on your wrist to see the size. Next, we'll crochet the main part. First, crochet a slip stitch and a short stitch on each row. And crochet 28 short stitches. End with a slip stitch to the first stitch. The first round is done, a total of 28 short stitches. Next, crochet the pattern. First, crochet 3 chains. Wrap the thread around the hook once. Hook the thread out of the same stitch. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull over the first 2 loops first. Then pull the last 2 loops. A long stitch is completed. Add 3 chain stitches, which also counts as 1 stitch. Then 2 double crochets. Winding the thread. Continue to hook to long stitches in the same stitch. This is a set of patterns. Next, wind the thread. Skip 2 stitches. In the 3rd stitch, hook to long stitches. Two braids. And 2 long stitches in the same stitch. The second group of patterns is completed. Next, crochet a set of patterns every 2 stitches. Finish this round. Finish the last group of patterns. There are 3 stitches left. And connect with the first long stitch. The first round of pattern is completed. Continue to work in the middle of the pattern and connected. The second round pattern. First, crochet 3 chains. Then 2 long stitches in the same gap. Continue to crochet to braids. Then 3 long stitches in the same gap. This set of patterns is completed. According to this rule, in the gap of the previous row pattern, continue to crochet. Finish this round. Finished by pulling up the first stitch. Continue to draw up on the next long stitch. Continue to draw in the gaps of the pattern. Next, in the gap of the pattern. According to the second row pattern, continue to crochet until you reach the number of rows you need. After the fourth row has reached the size I need, finish with a salt streak and cut the thread. Hide the thread end with a sewing needle on the back. In this way, the sleeve cover is finished. The effect of wearing it.